I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town.
Guys, what's going on? Personal Gaming here, and it is here. The final camera. It is here. I'm so excited to open this. I already cut the top off. I have not looked inside yet. So, guys, if you want more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Next thing I'll probably be opening is a computer once I get the money to buy one. But anyways, that's gonna be real soon. I'm gonna be collabing with Andrew, PROZ, Drew, and let's get into this. Here we go. Oh man, you guys, look at that. Look at that thing. That is nice. Alright, let's see the camera back down. Stupid sweatsuit. Let's get this thing out. Oh, this is so cool. Scissors. It is a 4K Ultra camera. Let's go. Ultra HD. Oh, this is. Hold on, guys. We'll be right back after I figure this out. For about a minute, I got it out. Look at that. Check that out. That's awesome. But now, we're going to put this back in its case, and we're going to go look at the other stuff. And yes, guys, this does connect to Wi-Fi. This camera. Which is really awesome. Alright, let's go. I think this is to take pictures and record from a little bit away. That's it. You got another door, so this one snaps off or something. We got another one for the waterproof. This is the chin clamp for a helmet. This is just a cover to hold the camera on, like screwed in at the bottom right there, and you can pretty much hold it. We're just gonna do it. I'm gonna have to look at what these are later. Oh no, these are just clamps also for this. It's another thing to hold. Oh, there's something else. Oh, no way. That is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys exactly what this is once I get it out. Stupid Sweaty keeps climbing back on me. Okay, so I know what this is. I'll be right back once I get this in. I didn't figure out, oh crap, I just dropped the box. But yeah guys, I did figure out how this thing works. So what it is you use it to vlog yourself, which I like because it's got a firm grip to it. Doesn't move too much, and if it does, I'll just tighten that later. This moved a little bit, but that's good because when you're like walking, you can just, and it's down some, you can just tilt it back towards you, which is the awesome thing. And they also give you a little mirror here, which is the cool thing about it. Right there. Crap, again. That little metal thing right there, that's a mirror, but it's also to turn on the power. So say if I like needed to see where my camera needs to be aimed at me, I could just do this. Get off my camera, you stupid sweat bee. We're just gonna leave the sweat bee alone. Comes with a little USB for charging, which is cool because I got tons of USB cords for obviously my tablet. We got a whole bunch of different mounts. I'm not going to go through all of them. It comes with its own plug. have no idea what this thing is. Rechargeable battery. Oh, they gave us our own battery for this. That's cool. That's sick. I need to go out and buy some more batteries. Because one battery is not gonna do. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got our strap. That's cool to have. We got a lens cleaner. We got zip ties. So if you zip ties to something. What is it? I'm curious now. I gotta open this. Oh, okay. So this is the head mount. See, it's got the head mount and everything for it on here, which is awesome because I love the head mount. I've always wanted one for a GoPro. I never got one. Now I got one. I couldn't really tell you what this is for, so I'm gonna take it out and find out what it does. I think it's just like the strap. What does this do? I am so. Oh, it's like. Wait. Dang it, I hate allergies so much. That's what we get for living out in the country. I will figure this out. I have no idea what this is for. I'll figure this out later. But I think that's about it, guys. Now the strap. What is with all these straps? But too bad. Wait, maybe I can't get this thing to work. Stupid sweat. Sweat. Get away. Oh, they gave us 2 batteries. Okay. That is cool. So they gave us 2. I swear if this sweaty doesn't leave me alone, I am back up. Alright, we think we're good now. He shouldn't be coming back for a while. Nope, he's back. Bruh. I swear, leave me alone. Is this television or? Yes, I get it to turn on. Let's put this back in. Oh yeah, that's a high quality thing. Okay, we got. So, guys, I got it to turn on. It's got such quality. No way. 24 frames per second. Got an hour of recording on it, audio. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'll have to go out and buy a card for it, unless they gave me one, I just can't see it. But let me turn this off so I don't waste battery. I'm gonna put it back in the GoPro now. Alright guys, anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow, or whenever I film. I probably will film a little bit today. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow, definitely. Sorry I didn't record yesterday. Happy 4th of July, everybody. It's July 5th now. My camera just got here today. I literally, it's like, hold on, what time is it? I'll give you guys the time. We're going by Eastern time. Dang it, what time is it? It is 12:16. Yeah. Oh no. PM. So if you guys didn't hear that, I'll pop it up on the screen somewhere. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys all tomorrow with another video. And I might call Andrew later and find out if we're gonna be filming anytime soon. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Before I leave, I wanted to say this. I don't know when I record with the GoPro if I will have my intro or my outro. I will see what I can do with it, but no promises. That's it. I just wanted to let you guys know because my intro and stuff is on my tablet and I can't transfer it to a computer because I don't have that. Even though I know how to do it. It's just going to take longer. So I just want to let you guys know that. Peace out. See you tomorrow, guys.